Hello techies. In this session, we will test our knowledge on PL500 exam. What is the PL500 question over here? The question is, you plan to create a Microsoft Visio process diagram. You need to create the diagram and then export the diagram as Power Automate flow. Which 5 actions should you perform in sequence? This is my PL500 question. Before answering this question, we will learn about Microsoft Visio and process diagram. What is Microsoft Visio? Microsoft Visio, formerly known as Microsoft Office Visio, is a diagramming and vector graphics application and is a part of Microsoft 365 platform. Microsoft Visio is used to create diagram types such as flowcharts, organization charts, floor plans, network diagrams, UML diagrams, mind maps, and many more. Microsoft Visio is also commonly used for scenarios such as process mapping and visual collaboration. The latest version of Visio also has a data visualization that allows users to create diagrams from the Excel data and also embedded Visio diagrams in Power BI dashboards. By using Visio and Power Automate together, it is easy to create Visio workflow using built-in business process model and notation stencils, that is BPMN stencils. Business process modeling and notation is the global standard for modeling business process, a fundamental part of business process management. Alright, now let me switch to the portal and I'm going to navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once it is navigating to make.powerautomate.com, then I'm going for the templates. Inside my templates, I'm going to click on Visio category. That is, I'm going to search for Visio templates. There you can see I'm having basic flow, that is BPMN diagram, travel request approval workflow, and you can find some other templates which are related to the Visio. So these templates have been designed by using BPMN, that is business process model and notation. Now, how can we go ahead and create a Power Automate flow by using Microsoft Visio? How can we go ahead and do that? There we can use the templates, or we can go for the My Flows. And there, to create a flow by using Visio, I'm going to click on New Flow, that is drop down. And there you can see I'm having Visio templates. Let's click on Visio templates, which it will navigate to the same template where we are having templates, right? Under that we are having Visio templates. There you will find I'm having sample templates. Now we are going to download this, any one of the sample, or what we can do, we can create our BPMN diagram by using Visio. Now for the time being, I'm going to download this. Once you are going to create the BPMN stencils by using Microsoft Visio, then we are going for the process tab, which are available in the Microsoft Visio. I have shown over here. You can see over here, there I'm having Visio where I'm going to create my using Microsoft Visio. And then I'm going to prepare to export it by clicking on prepare to export from the Power Automate group of icons. This is the second step which I'm going to follow. At the third step, once you are going to click on prepare to export, I'm going to mapping the flow mapping by using prepare to export tab. There we are having map your BPMN diagram to Power Automate controls. That is my third step, because I have to map all the BPMN diagram related to my Power Automate controls. Once it has been done, on the triggers and actions, we are going to selecting prepare to export group, which we are having in Power Automate. And then we are going to select either a trigger or an action to map your BPMN diagram to Power Automate triggers and action. This is nothing but we are going to map our BPMN diagrams according to our Power Automate controls. And finally, we are going to export the workflow with no issues, that is by using prepare to export control. Once it has been done, I'm going to give the name of the flow, and then I'm going to create the flow by using export your workflow. Alright, now let me switch back to the PL500 question over here. There you can see I'm going to use Microsoft Visio process diagram, and then I'm going to export the diagram as Power Automate flow. There are 6 actions has been given. These 6 actions we have to perform in sequence. What are the 5 actions which we need to perform in sequence? The first one is that we are going to create the diagram by using BPMN shapes. At the second step, we are going to select prepare to export in the toolbar as we have seen. And then at the third step, we are going to map the shapes to flow actions. That is my third one. And the fourth one, I'm going to select export to flow because of we have to export to the flow. And finally, we are going to give the name of the flow and select create a flow to create the Power Automate Cloud Flow. These are the 5 actions which we are going to perform in sequence. Let me reveal the answer. There you can see I have given the reference also where you will find the sequence of steps to export the Microsoft Visio process diagram as a Power Automate flow. Alright. Now let me reveal these actions step by step. The first one is that create the diagram by using BPMN shapes. Second one, select prepare to export in the toolbar. Third one, map shapes to flow actions. Fourth one, select export to flow. And fifth one, name the flow and select create flow. These are the 5 actions which you are going to perform. Alright, I hope you understand how to create a cloud flow by using Microsoft Visio process diagram as part of this tutorial.